Hi everyone, this module is another extension of reverse engineering. But before we do reverse engineer, um, this module explains the Python code can attack some of your computing power. So for example, this is something that we looked at last time, simple calculation, right? Points on this or something, right? And I added a little more the coding list, and then I compile it uh, by this, and then I can run it by, the rename that one. It was here, actually, this is the code, but I copied it one level up in the directory, and then I rename it. Renaming it in command line, then you can use a rename and then old name and new name. But in this Windows Explorer, but as I said, you can run this. As you run this, what happens is if you run this by double clicking, or we can do simply run it reward.pyc. Okay, if I hit int and hit enter this, then in your home directory, and then there is some file is created in between data1.hdr and language.dat. The file name is index.html that is created. So watch this. And when you do this, it returns the points on is 297. Normally that is what that program runs. And here, this is activated. Therefore, when you create and one of the web browser, okay, I'm going to bring that web browser. So right there, it runs like this, right? It says a warning, your file infected. Hey, Jayun, this is my login ID. So you can test it. All right. Thank you.